Welcome back to our channel. Many origami models require dividing an edge into equal parts, such as 1/3, 1/5, or 1/7. There are many ways to do this, using rulers, compasses, geometric construction, or else. Right now, we are going to use protractor. Suppose you have a square paper. Square with a side length of 1 unit. Side length 1 unit. You want to make a crease here, crease that reaches from here to here. So we want to make a crease that reaches the opposite edge exactly one end of the way from the corner, this corner. The horizontal one, this one, the adjacent side is always 1, always 1. The vertical side, which we are going to find the 1/n right here, is of course 1/n. 1/n. Since tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side, tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So 1/n divided by 1 equals 1/n. But how do we know what angle we need? So we calculate the angle we need is tangent inverse or arctangent of 1/n. In this case, we are looking for 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. 1 divided by 3 is 18.43. Protractor 0, 18.43 is. So if we fold this here is 1/3. That's how we use protractor to find 1/n. Hope it's clear. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.